animal crackers!
Dude, why is this giant kid looking at me?
He's looking at us because he's about to eat us.
Eat us? Oh, phooey, I don't want to die!
Calm down, sheep. Everything will be okay. Ah! No, don't do it! Put me down! Please don't eat me! Of course I can, because you're a cracker.
Oh,
no,
maniacs!
what have you done to him?
Let me guess, we're in a food fight video.
Huh? Can I have some animal crackers? Hey, this is my animal crackers! Get your own!
You heard him. Have your own animal crackers, twerp.
Please? No. Please? No. Please? No. Please? No.
Fine, I'll take it!
Oh no! What'd you do that?
There's plenty more animal crackers for you to see!
Charge! It's an animal cracker stampede.